Hi and welcome to the Beae Tutorial Series. In this video, I will tell you about the post title element in the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you guys have opened up the blog post and you're about to start from scratch, on the left side, you guys have all the elements that you guys can use. You have the option for post title over here. So to use this, simply drag and drop it over here. And then after that, on the right side, you guys are going to see all of its content options and also all of its style options. So over here, as you guys can see, that we have the option to add in a preview over here. So I'm going to add in a preview from one of my blogs. And then after that, up top, I can also go into the style as well. In the style section, I can change the alignment of this particular text. I can change the text color. I can change the typography to be whatever I want. I can change the font to be whatever I want. And I can choose from Google Fonts as well. And once I like a font, it's as easy as just clicking on it and then clicking on select, and the font is going to be changed. I can increase or decrease the size as well. I can also change the weight. I can transform it to uppercase, lowercase, or I can even capitalize it as well. I can change the style too. I can also change the decoration as well. We also have the option for changing the line height and also the letter spacing. So guys, these are all the features that you get in the typography. And then lastly, we have the text shadow, in which you guys can change the text shadow to be whatever color. You can change the text shadow to be horizontal or to be vertical. You can also change exactly where you want it to be. So guys, these are all the features that you get in the post title feature in the Beae website builder. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.